Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Alice and today's video I am going to do another vlog attempt. And that's just because it's a day in which I have quite a few things to do, so I thought why not? It could be nice to bring you along and show you how I do practice my more intentional and sustainable life in like my real everyday life. So I actually already started the day with a coffee, obviously, and I started doing my gratitudes and my affirmations. So now it's time to go back into workouts. So let's get into it. As you can see, my working out clothes are really not properly working out clothes. They are truly an ensemble of old t-shirt, jumpers and leggings that I repurpose from my last decluttering instead of throwing them away because they are honestly too old to do anything else with them but rags. Then I rather use them in this way for the last period of their life. They're not proper workout clothes, but honestly for the little workout I do, they are more than enough. And yes, my hair are very oily, and that's because I put coconut oil in them. It's a great way to moisturize them. It's a fantastic hydrating mask. It costs nothing, and we generally use coconut oil for cooking, so it's not something that I bought just for the purpose. And honestly, for me, it's great. And I tend to do that in the morning so that when I go into the shower, I wash out everything. So it is actually a few hours later, I finished my workout. I had breakfast with my partner and then I had received a couple of very urgent emails. So I had to postpone my shower, which I didn't like, but I had to tackle those things immediately. And now I'm finally jumping into the shower. Yay! So since today is hair wash day, I wanted to show you a couple of new additions to my hair care routine. So these are two specific curly hair, hope it will show up, shampoo and conditioner. They are like certified B Corporation. As far as I know, they are part of, no, they're not a certified B Corporation, but they are part of the 1% for the planet, and they are certified vegan and cruelty free, which is a good thing. The only downside is that one, they come in plastic, and two, they are extremely expensive, which is kind of annoying. But yeah, I needed something very, very specific. So for now it is okay. But if any of you has any cheaper recommendation, I'm all ears. And then I finally upgraded my hair dryer. The old one broke, so I had to. And this is a ceramic one. I don't know. It's again a friend of mine highly recommended for curly hair. So this is what I'm using. But what I wanted to point out is that this is technically second-hand. I found it on Vinted for like half, even less of the price, and it was completely new actually. It came in with all the tags on, with all the plastic and everything. So just to say, you can find amazing deal second-hand that are technically new, because I know that a lot of people wouldn't really like to have like second-hand technology from a source they don't trust. So that's a great way. So let's go into the shower. Actually, I realized that before entering into the shower, I do need to do my laundry because the thing is absolutely full, and using like the low energy setting of the laundry machine, it takes ages to finish it, and I need to go to the dentist. So I need to load the laundry before I enter into the shower. So while I am washing myself, it is washing the clothes. So let's go. It is finally eating time, and here we have leftover soup from yesterday, super yummy. And then here we have homemade soda bread. Needless to say, my boyfriend did everything, I didn't. And I am watching a lovely video of a natural vegan in the meantime. So I always let my hair dry naturally before finishing them with the hair dryer. So in the meantime, I will tidy up the room. I will show you what a mess it is at the moment. And then I will also hang up the clothes. So then I'm almost ready to go basically. know it's difficult to see because I have a black jumper, but I hope you can see that my curls are way more defined and less frizzy and overall healthier than they used to be, which is absolutely fantastic considering that now that they are all nice and shiny and curly and styled and etc., I'll need to go out in the rain. So yeah, they won't stay like this for a very long time, but let's enjoy this moment till it lasts. Now I will show you my outfit of the day, and then I think I will head off to my dentist and this is my outfit of the day, the full ensemble. I will be honest, it is not my absolute favorite outfit ever, but I need to go outside just for running errands, so I'm not particularly bothered. Plus, almost everything is in the wash at the moment, so I really had to deal with what I had. And indeed, this is technically not a winter jumper, it's a cotton jumper. So to make it work, I had to layer it with another long sleeve t-shirt. And the t-shirt is a hand-me-down, so pretty sustainable. The jumper is a recycled cotton jumper from New In, and I will link it below. It is a very nice, sustainable and decently affordable company as well. The pants are my only basically pop of color. They are my green pants. I bought them second hand from Vinted and I'm using them at home. And then the boots are my usual winter boots. After I think at this point 6 or 7 years they are basically falling apart. I repaired them already a couple of times. I don't know if I can do it again. So yeah, I hope they last a little bit longer, at least to finish this winter, and then I fear I will have to substitute them. And finally for the bag I have this one, which is also second-hand, one of my first second-hand purchases, and yeah, it's just a very practical bag for running errands. After my dentist appointment I will need to go to the supermarket to buy a couple of things, and then I also need to probably go to the thrift shop if I have time. I am not sure I will be able to vlog when I come back, so in case, thank you so much for watching, see you soon, and as always remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more trying vlogging kind of content.